kwase mpanyin na ni tiri say yo sa akwa no in case abreme Felix Ofosu Kwarkyi ono so o say no use
abuza from mo nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
hwan miensa no ba stage a na ekura no ono nko ekura phone miensa taxpayers money no mu nyina eburo no in case abrem last week ba ma sheda na menka ho asem because mobile phone de enye ba say ono e de say sika to phones na o blow scanner e kire say ono ni position na onya chance a ono nso be wie sika pa
Umpel, also one kind of base, what I saw MPP. Ignore him. Ignore Honorable Ken. When he make utterances, me say, Fanessa woman, me and our papa winning the TV, whether monopause or pekasa. Ignore him, men so. The moment a man so son and some mosono, and some enko baby. But if you people keep on reposting the videos, you keep on reacting to the videos, obi a want to ye bete. Me see anopa we me ba ma ya de ba ko mu notice ye. And sa de ba ko say, ma address this issue without playing Honorable Ken's voice.
Kesia. Made in Dubone baga kesia. Ana maame no. Edify immigration, edify port, edify all the checks, export here, edicopim Australia, and Yacheno. And UTA Australian authorities now almost the street value of that drug in Uboneno in excess of $300 million. 300 million US dollars, and any Nubonia, NDC are buying Ebuasa UK mameno, and more export a free Ghana. Edicopim, UK. Now you say. Why na war NDC abani mu am or yes and she you know it make sure say my men can have access to your import na watching sa bags akese ye nuboni ewom e de free Ghana I export e de akọ Australia. Why na war NDC abani mu a sika nka e be piem e wo this illicit drug trade nu nka obenya so mfaso. Who made this possible? Sa na ma we nyina we will get to that point. We will get to that point. We will call them out. Sana last year, 2025, NDC Aben Omunya Zumi office. mysterious plane be air ambulance be ebesi Ghana a chin cocaine at the call Grand Canaria ye can't want them omo kwati reverend in team fojo a ono ne be expose NDC aben sa sebono NDC aben SVP no under carpet but this time it's not going to happen yentina ho e ma mo Ghana bedane cost of illicit drug trading baby ye export inubone baby inubone efri eko ewiase nyina da no Interior Minister Muntaka Ebeka said voter region has become the hub for weed. Obonsam Tower voter region ye dear pa ye export to Nigeria, any other African countries. Ghana yaji dimboni in just less than 2 years NDC fui Azumi office. Omu yo my Ghana sika omu bogana for chrono. Big push yo omu de bogana for chrono ye good omu bogana for chrono. Petroleum downstream honum omu bogana for chrono. Afi more sign delay in drugs. More sign any drug lords. Oma ye cartel, they have criminal syndicator, trading in illicit drugs, money akonaive, collaborating, use Ghana as coast, as a place exporting illicit drugs across the country. We will not sit down for these people to bring shame to Ghana because say ye greedy, ye from ye criminals, person so this matter there, yen man slided that NDC way. They are a bunch of thieves, they are a bunch of criminals. Omo wa bema, omo ne ma mene come tipam huam, omo de sa nuboni akesi, sa med akesi, bag akesi, every Ghana kopi mu Australia ne. We Ghana ni na uko Australia ye be show tutu. We will fish all of them out. And Mahama and Abain should come out and answer questions. The panya, my many fast one, ultimate BT all checkpoints. A panya, my many fast one, ultimate Edison Nuboni, FR Ghana, Exporty Ghana, Exporty Free Ghana, and the copium will be anti-me and detecting. We will get to the bottom of this matter.
That sword, ebe sha see the one. Yay! When they come America, I will park so. I'll say, where di kanyo or no di kanyo or the first. But first, no, or say, mempe first, no. But me jam first no medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby shas ya fofro. What be that? What it look like? Tuna ye to aba editia. Honorable Kennedy Japan, I say, yeah, kakra wonimu. And into the casano. Because
Join the down. Sim with the beer you can want. On my way, just say you nim on my issue I walk. For your shiny my papa and I don't who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Naki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and the go and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Kanye was I would to me was I mean, say, almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on the funded free seniors, most of my account for. Is there any Ghana for debut? Na friend at tables net 10 after the moki kem kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asofo no mo nkɔ ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkɔ ma ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkɔ ma ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ne nkɔ ma ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women omo nkɔ ma ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no ba no the credit scoring system but must open nkete. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same crying. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most of them nkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear ko ye kwade e menu now to me who letter be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss hey. Remona Chapa ya hyping say where ye can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onya juma order.
Onya juma or da. And Onya juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes. Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or sister asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam 1 and kwa pe baby akwakoda and Nam 1 mo. Yes. Now just say was in ukra dream say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Yeka bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina ne say. Papa or Council of State member or company to good a year before grab good board bebano no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case dia bra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi o mo koi wako court yoko na court o call court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no, what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yamaba and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my